In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Base44 for beginners. Base44 is a groundbreaking AI-powered no-code platform designed to empower anyone, regardless of coding experience, to create fully functional web applications simply by describing them. Imagine having the freedom to craft applications just with your words. Now, let's dive into how you can get started with this incredible tool. To begin, open your web browser and head over to https://app.base44.com/login. If you already have an account, you can easily log in by entering your email and password. If you're new to Base44, don't worry. Getting started is a breeze. Just click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you're through with that, you'll be ready to explore the platform's full potential. Once you're inside your account dashboard, the first thing you'll notice is a big rectangular box prominently displayed in the middle of the screen. This is your canvas, your starting point for innovation. Here, you'll type in and describe the app you want to create. If you have a strong idea in mind, go ahead and express it in this space. But if you're on the fence about what to create, Base44 offers you some suggested ideas that you can click on to get the creative juices flowing. After you've described your app idea and added any necessary details, it's time to let Base44 work its magic. The platform will take your input and start creating the app for you. This process might take a little time, so patience is key here. Remember, good things come to those who wait, and what you're creating is worth a small wait. Once Base44 has completed building your app, you can review the interface to ensure it aligns with your vision. This is your opportunity to fine-tune the details. If you need to make changes or add extra information, simply type in your updates in the designated box located at the lower left corner of the screen. This ensures that every aspect of the app is polished and ready to go. And finally, once you're satisfied with the look and functionality of your application, it's time for the exciting part, sharing and publishing. With just a few clicks, your app can be out in the world, ready for users to experience. Congratulations! You've just taken your first steps into the world of no-code app creation with Base44. With its intuitive design and powerful AI capabilities, the possibilities are endless, and you're now equipped to explore and create as your ideas unfold. Thanks for watching, and happy app building.